Today is a remarkable day as we celebrate one of the highlights of the Sinulog sa Kabangkalan Festival, the float parade and display competition. From the smallest details to the grandest displays, you have shown that it means to be Kabangkalanons, resilient, innovative, and united. Your floats are not just works of art, but representations of our collective faith and culture.
Maraming salamat at naimbitahan ako dito. First time ko makapunta dito at napakasaya nyo. Palakpakan po natin ang sarili natin.
Pupunanay kita ni Subong, ululupot kita para sa aton handom, kadalagan, para sa masanadjahon, malaumon, kag peaceful nga syudad sang Kabangkalan.
Thank you all so much for inviting me here and of course po sa inyong lahat, sa mga tao nandito.
This event is more than just a competition. It is a celebration of our faith in Senior Santo Niño, our shared culture, and the unity that makes Kabangkalanon strong. May this inspire us all to continue working together for a brighter, more vibrant Kabangkalan.